Why does this tool get 5-star good reviews? Firstly, it is very compact, only half iPhone size. Secondly, it comes with nylon coatings. Nylon coatings enhances corrosion resistance. Thirdly, the 1.25-inch wide blade boasts large, easy-to-read numbers. White printing makes it easy to read even in dim light. Double-sided big number brings convenience. High-carbon steel blades can stay straight up to 8 feet. Our customers also give highly rated reviews. Magnetic hook makes attachment stable. Finally, it is drop resistant, impact proof, and therefore has a long service life.